Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your site title in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Now click on this website button below the website you want to change this site title for. Now click on this edit button from the top. Then click on this edit site header first. Then click on your site title and logo. Click on this little pen, and just from here you can change your site title, for example, to Pine Restaurant 2. Don't forget to click on this save button on this corner to not lose your editing. Click on this click on this exit button to check your website live, and this is how to change your site title in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial.